Hello everyone. Try walking like this 8 ways for a beginner like me. No, really. You open a program, pick up a stylus, and suddenly you're a wizard. You can summon dragons, galaxies, or a grumpy cat with a wizard hat, and no one can stop you. Except maybe your tablet dying mid-sketch. But we don't talk about that. 1. Digital art, where mistakes are optional. Back in the old days, also known as last decade, artists had one terrifying tool, the ink pen. No undo. No layers. Just one wrong line and boom, you've invented modern abstract art. But now? We live in the future, friends. We have Ctrl+Z. The greatest invention since sliced bread, or at least since kneaded erasers. Made a mistake? Undo. Changed your mind? Undo. Accidentally drew on the wrong layer for 3 hours? Well, we still cry. But we undo first. 2. Layers, the lasagna of art. Digital art has a magical concept, layers. Layers are like emotional boundaries, but for your drawing. You can sketch on one layer, ink on another, color on another. And if something goes wrong? You delete just that one layer, and your sanity stays intact. I like to think of it like lasagna. Sketch layer? Pasta. Line art? The sauce. Color layer? That gooey cheese. Just don't flatten it all together unless you're 100% sure. Once you merge layers, it's like marriage in a Disney movie, beautiful, permanent, and possibly cursed. 3. Brushes, the Swiss Army knives of style. Let's talk about brushes. Oh, the brushes. When I first started, I thought there were like 3 brushes. Pencil, pen, and eraser. Cute, right? Now, I have 87 brushes titled things like Crunchy Fur 2.0, Cloud Maker Deluxe, Painterly Blur W Grit. And my personal favorite, I don't know what this does but it looks cool. And somehow, I still just use one basic round brush 90% of the time. Classic. 4. Tablet struggles, a modern-day epic. Now, let's not pretend it's all sunshine and perfectly blended gradients. There's that one glorious moment every beginner has, you finally get your tablet. You plug it in. You open your drawing software. And then you try to draw a circle. And it comes out like a potato that's been stepped on. Welcome to digital art, baby. It takes practice. Your hand-eye coordination needs to level up. But it's okay, potato circles are just your rite of passage. 5. Coloring, where chaos begins. You've inked your drawing. You feel powerful. You add flat colors. It looks good. Then you try shading. And suddenly, your character looks like they're melting under a flashlight from a crime drama. Shading is an art in itself. Directional light, bounce light, rim light, mood light. And here you are just trying to make your anime OC not look haunted. But don't worry, it gets better. With time, and maybe a YouTube tutorial or 12. 6. Art block, the uninvited guest. You sit down to draw. You open a blank canvas. You stare. The canvas stares back. Art block is real, folks. And it's rude. My advice? Draw something ridiculous. A chicken wearing boots. A cactus doing taxes. Let your brain laugh. Art doesn't always have to be perfect. Sometimes, it just has to be fun. 7. Are you tracing, and other drama? Ah yes, the classic digital artist dilemma. You post your art online, and someone comments. Did you trace this? Or worse. You used references? That's cheating. To which I say, Michelangelo used references. Calm down, Chad. Using references isn't cheating. It's learning. It's being smart. It's literally what professionals do. No shame in getting inspired, or checking how knees actually work. 8. Final wisdom, the digital art glow-up. You might feel like your drawings look weird now. Maybe your lines wobble. Maybe your colors are muddy. Maybe you've committed the sin of drawing everything on the same layer. But here's the truth. Every digital artist started exactly where you are. Confused. Frustrated. Excited. Probably Googling how to draw hands at 2 a.m. And every day you practice, even for 10 minutes, you're leveling up. So don't wait to be good enough. Draw what you love. Post your goofy sketches. Make art that makes you smile. In conclusion, digital art is a journey of undo buttons, magical layers, happy accidents, and too many brushes you'll never use. But it's also a journey of self-expression, joy, and turning weird ideas into beautiful images. So keep going. Keep drawing. And remember, Ctrl+C is great, but your creativity is even better. Thank you, and may your stylus never glitch. You can like and subscribe for more content.